Go to lawyer.in and click on sign in. Now here write down your credentials and click on sign in. As you can see, there are various tools. Today we are going to tell you about LexBuddy, India's most innovative and comprehensive compliance library. Click on LexBuddy. As you can see, a new page opens up, and here we have the different tabs that I am going to explain you. First is statutory rates. Here you can find the LW rates, EPF rates, ESIS rates. Let's check out LWF. As you can see, here you can select the state for which you are looking for the LWF. Let's select Haryana. Now select the year for which you are looking for and click on submit. Here you can find the state, then LWF Act, its periodicity, employer's contribution, total contribution and its effective date. Now you can click on go to library, and here you can find all the downloadable forms related to LWF for the government of Haryana. Also you can click on archive and click here to get the previous amendment that has been made under this LWF Act. Now let's check out EF rates. Here you don't have to select any state, just select the year, and here since it is a central act, so all the details will appear. Same goes with year, employee contributions, employer's contribution, admin charges, pension contribution, EDLI contribution, its admin charges and total contribution. Now for the library you can click here, and here as you can see you will be able to download all the forms and relevant documents and registers which you can view. Now let's check ESIC. Here too it's a central act, so you just have to select an year which you are looking for. As you can see, same you will be getting the employer's contribution, employee contribution, total contribution, wages limit, and to check out the library for register, and you can click there and you can get all the forms registered related to that. Now there we have an act inside video. Click on it. Here you can select any of the act, central act or state act, and it is been in two volumes. And for the state act you can also select any state that you are specifically looking for, and here all the related state acts will come, and here all the central acts you will be able to look into. Now let's go to legal updates. For example, you are looking for, as you can see, it automatically, whenever you will search a keyword, it automatically relevant act will appear and you can select from here. Then you can just add the date. Example, if you're looking for, and now you click on search. See, there is no legal update related to this in this relevant time period, but you can still change the keyword or act and change the time period which you are looking for, and you will get the latest legal update for it. Then we have a tab for important links. As you can see, there are all the important links related to Indian ministries. then government departments, then internal and telecommunication services, Department of Revenue, and so on. And you can just check the related website that you are looking for easily. Now let's check newsletter. Newsletter, you just have to select the year and a month. For example, let's go with February. Then select end date for it, and here all the press releases, notifications, and the update related to that time period you will be able to see. Also, you will be able to download and check the registers and forms related to it. Then, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we have this COVID-19 tab. As you can see, in the COVID-19 tab, here are all the revised guidelines, orders, amendments, notifications, restrictions, all the details related to the coronavirus you can find here. Now let's go to our home page. Here you can select a scope whether you are looking for central or state act. Then select any of your desired act. Also you can search for your desired act. For example, let's select Building and Other Construction Welfare Cess Act 1996. Now select the act and click on Submit. As you can see, all the related sections, subsections, rules, acts, compliances, all are visible to you. And also we have a criticality ratio. To view the relevant compliance, click on view button. Now where, as you can see, we have a compliance ID, its applicability, then we have its frequency, then a description about the act, then its potential impact, whether it is monetary, operational or imprisonment, then its due date, compliance applicability and its activities, its exemptions if applicable, its penal provision, key definition, additional information, name by rule, scheme, subsection, number of forms, name of forms, purpose of forms, statutory agency name, its address, its site address, everything is visible here and you can easily check this out. Also, now for example, if you want some details to be shared with you, then just you can select any two of the details here and you can click on the share button and enter your email ID over here and select go. So the relevant information that you were looking for will be mailed on your mail ID. Now let's go to library. As you can see, here are all the forms and registers related to the compliance that you are looking for, and you will be able to download it or view it from here. Now same goes for the state act. If you want to look for a state act, just select the state act and whole details will appear same as above.